Hi student, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics chapter number 8, continuation of exercise 8.2. Now problem number 7. In problem number 7, the total marks scored by two students, Satya and Vidya, in 5 subjects are 460 and 480. 460 is the total mark for Satya and 480 is the total mark for Vidya in 5 subjects. Standard deviation 4.6 and 2.4 respectively. For Satya, standard deviation 4.6. For Vidya, standard deviation is 2.4. Who is more consistent in performance? You have to find out. For that, you have to find out the coefficient of variation for Satya and Vidya. Here is problem number 7. For Satya and Vidya, total marks given and standard deviation given. Now you have to find who is more consistent in performance, right? Now for Satya, case 1. Case 1. For Satya, I am going to find out the coefficient of variation. Formula sigma by x bar into 100%. Here I consider as sigma 1 and x bar. Now we have to calculate x bar. After that we can substitute in that formula. We know that x bar, that is equal to sigma xi divided by n. Sigma xi, that is equal to 460 for Satya. Number of subjects 5. I write here n, that is equal to 5. That is common. 5 subjects. Now I have to divide. If we divide, we will be getting 5 9s are 45, balance 1 is 10, so 2 times 92. That is arithmetic mean. Now we can substitute. Sigma 1, that is given, that is equal to 4.6 divided by x bar, that is equal to 92 into 100% equals 4.6 into 100, that is equal to 460 divided by 92% equals. I do the calculation here. 460 divided by 92. Can take 5. 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 46. Got the remainder 0. So 5%. That is the coefficient of variation for Satya. Now we can go for Vidya, case 2. For Vidya, again coefficient of variation. Formula sigma 2 divided by x bar into 100%. Sigma 2, that is given 2.4. Now we have to calculate x bar. X bar formula, you know that sigma xi by n. For Vidya, total marks 480, number of subjects 5, that is equal to 45. 5 9s are 45, balance 336. 5 6 are 30. So 96 is the mean. So write 96 here into 100%. 2.4 into 100, that is equal to 240 divided by 96% equals. I do the calculation here. 240 divided by 96. Can take 2. 2 6 are 12, balance 1, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19. Then 10 minus, you have to subtract 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8. Here 3 will be there. 13 minus 9, that is equal to 4. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0.05 times. 5 6 are 30, balance 3. 5 9s are 45 plus 3, that is 48. 0. So what is the answer? 2.5%. Now for Satya, CV is 5%. For Vidya, that coefficient of variation is 2.5%. Here I consider as CV1 coefficient of variation 1, here coefficient of variation 2. Which one is less coefficient of variation? CV2 only. This is 2.5, here 5. So CV2 is less than CV1. That means Who is the less coefficient of variation, that person will be the more consistent performer. Who is the more consistent performer? Vidya is more consistent than Satya. By comparing case 1 and case 2, CV2 is less than CV1, which implies Vidya is more consistent than Satya. Since I give the reason also, already given the note to look at that. If the CV value is less, then the observation of corresponding data are consistent. Write the reason here. Less CV is, coefficient of variation is always more consistent. So Vidya is a more consistent performer than Satya. Consistent performer than Satya. That's all. Problem number 7 is completed. Then I'll be teaching problem number 8 in the next video. Thank you, children.